Hello again, folks. It's time for another Shackleman challenge. This time I'm going to start on Stu's, who he's just released his first one, and it seems like a good opportunity to have a go on these lovely Chubb handcuffs, which I just featured in my last video. So to do this, he wants us to put the cuffs on with the keyways facing us, bows up and pulls down like so. That one's going to have to be different. Hope that's alright. Keyways inside anyway. I'll do it that way just so the keyways are both inside. So that's that. And then what he wants us to do is to perform a menial task. And it's kind of my dinner time. So that's what I thought I'd do. I thought I'd make myself a sandwich. So to start with, I've got a nice tin of tuna. And all we have to do is wearing the handcuffs, by the way. So we'll see how we get on with that, eh? If you want to check out Stu's video, I'll leave a link down below. And on his video, he shuffles and deals some cards out as examples, or ties a shoelace. Let's get rid of that. Let's just pour some of this brine away. There we go. So yeah, welcome to Cuffs Kitchen. Let's get rid of that. Clean the fingers. Then we need a fork. And the bowl. Didn't expect to cook with us today, did you, folks? Well, there you go. I'll put some tuna in there. I do like a good tuna sandwich. Let's get rid of that. We'll clean that up in a minute. And spread the tuna everywhere. It is quite restrictive, actually. Certainly a good challenge. I put it to anyone to try and come up with something a bit more different. Need some bread, of course. Need bread for a sandwich. That's a crap bit. There we go. Yeah, so if you don't already know, the Shackleman was founded by Stu and Not Too Dead, and Coxie has just recently completed or tied off his UK-based challenge series with the TCH 850s. Stu's now taken over with a new set of challenges from the US of A, using Peerless or any other linked cuffs, which you have. I don't have any Peerless or Smith & Wesson or anything fancy. I've got some ASP 100s, but they've got keyholes each side. And then these came in, so I thought, well, that's ideal. Yeah, let's use those. So once we've performed our menial task, which will be very shortly, he says, spreading more across the kitchen than in the sandwich, almost. Like I say, it's dinner time for me. It's time for some food. So why not kill two birds with one stone and have a bit of fun? There we go. You'll have to excuse my breathing. I'm a bit out of breath today. There we go. That's a bit for later. There we are. That's my lunch. So let me just try and get this grease off my hands a bit. And then we have to get out these cuffs. Now I'm going to try and use, we are allowed to use a key. As long as it is a key, you're allowed to use things that hold the key as well. So I'm just going to try and use the key fob on which this key was sent to me, if I can. Let's see if I can get a better angle on that. There we go. Keys in, and then we'll use the fob itself to try and turn the key. Like so. There we go. So that is Shackleman Challenge P1 for Cease Do Do. Sorry. Escaped with a sandwich. That's it for now, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, take care, everyone. Thanks again for the challenges, guys. Bye.
We are Shackleman. We are not sporters. We shin. We pick handcuffs. Expect challenges.